If you're serious about biking, you know how important a good handlebar bag can be. From carrying your phone, wallet, or snacks to keeping your essentials dry and secure, the right bag makes every ride more convenient. In this video, I'm breaking down the 10 best bike handlebar bags on the market. I've researched their size, durability, waterproofing, and usability to give you a clear picture of which bag could be the perfect fit for your rides. First up is the Rhinowalk RK9103-BB. This bag comes with a 2.4-liter capacity, perfect for carrying essentials like your wallet, keys, or a small water bottle. Made from durable polyester, it features a soft shell and a web handle, making it easy to grab on and off your bike. It's equipped with an adjustable and removable strap, plus a waterproof zipper, which is great if you encounter unexpected rain. Its compact dimensions, 11.4 by 9.6 by 9.6 inches, and Velcro straps of 25 centimeters ensure a snug fit on most handlebars. If you want a lightweight, versatile option for everyday rides, this bag is definitely worth considering. Number 2. ROCKBROS 0171BK Bike Handlebar Bag. Next, the ROCKBROS 0171BK is a sleek, minimalist choice. With a 1.6-liter capacity, it's slightly smaller but ideal for riders who prefer a slim profile. The bag combines TPU and composite carbon polyester, giving it durability while staying lightweight at 200 grams. It also features a soft shell and a web handle, along with an adjustable strap. One highlight is its compatibility with phones up to 7 inches, making it a practical choice if you like to keep navigation or your music right at hand. Its compact size, 8.15 by 3.74 by 5 inches, means it won't interfere with your riding stance or balance. Number 3. WOTOW Bike Handlebar Bag. The WOTOW Handlebar Bag offers a 2-liter capacity with a focus on durability. It's crafted from 900D Oxford fabric coated with PU, which provides solid water resistance. At 7 ounces, it's incredibly light but still practical for storing small essentials. The bag comes with an adjustable strap, a web handle, and a soft shell design. Dimensions are 9.1 by 4.3 by 4.3 inches, making it a good middle ground between compact and spacious. If you want a waterproof bag that's lightweight yet functional, this one is a strong candidate. Next up is the JXLHZLF ZZ09, a mid-sized option that balances capacity and convenience. Made from nylon, it has a soft shell and comes with both adjustable and removable straps, making it easy to mount and detach from your handlebars. With dimensions of 8.66 by 5.51 by 6.69 inches and weighing just over 10 ounces, it's compact yet practical for carrying your essentials without getting in the way of your ride. Its web handle adds extra portability, making it simple to grab on the go. If you're looking for a reliable, lightweight bag, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Rhinowalk Bike Handlebar Bag. Another option from Rhinowalk offers a slightly different design. This bag is made from nylon, features a soft shell, and includes an adjustable strap for easy installation. With a capacity of around 270 cubic inches, it provides enough space for essentials like a small water bottle, wallet, and phone. Its dimensions, 7.48 by 3.55 by 9.85 inches, make it a tall, narrow profile that works well if you want to keep your bike front end clear while still having storage. Lightweight at just 0.36 kilograms, it's perfect for everyday riders who need a practical, no-fuss solution. Number 6. BraveHawk Outdoors Bike Handlebar Bag. The BraveHawk Outdoors bag offers a larger, more spacious design for riders who need extra room. Measuring 15 by 7 by 5.5 inches and weighing 1.1 pounds, this bag can hold more than most in its category. It's waterproof, which makes it great for rainy rides or long-distance touring. If your priority is space and weather protection, this bag is a strong contender. Its durability and straightforward design make it a practical choice for riders who want a reliable bag without unnecessary frills. Number 7. ROCKBROS SZ058 Bike Handlebar Bag. The ROCKBROS SZ058 is a solid, no-nonsense option. Made from polyester with a soft shell, it has a removable strap and a web handle for easy carrying. With a 2-liter capacity and dimensions of 10.2 by 4.1 by 4.1 inches, it strikes a balance between compactness and storage. Weighing just 6.7 ounces, it won't add much weight to your ride. This bag is ideal if you want a simple, durable, and lightweight handlebar bag for everyday use. Next, the Lumiere Co bag brings some extra versatility. Its expandable design and included coin pouch make it stand out, while the phone holder keeps your device accessible. With a 2.4-liter capacity and water-resistant construction, it handles light rain and splashes well. The bag measures 9 by 4 by 4 inches and weighs 4.06 pounds, making it slightly heavier but packed with features for those who want extra organization and functionality on their rides. Number 9. Lamicall BCCB02 Bike Handlebar Bag. The Lamicall BCCB02 is all about durability and convenience. It features a 2-in-1 design, allowing for both frame and top tube mounting, and comes with a waterproof rain cover. With a 1.3-liter capacity, it's smaller but highly practical for essential items. It fits phones from 4.7 to 7 inches, and its plastic and silicone construction ensures sturdiness without excess weight. At 11.3 ounces, it's easy to carry and quick to install or remove. Last but not least, the Whalefall H1 is a hard-shell, waterproof bag designed for durability. Measuring 7.48 by 3.94 by 3.94 inches and weighing just 5.3 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight for a rigid design. Its EVA material offers sturdy protection for your valuables, while the adjustable strap and web handle make it convenient to mount or remove. With a 1-liter capacity, it's perfect if you want a small, secure, and waterproof bag for your essentials. Overall, the best handlebar bag really depends on your needs, whether that's carrying capacity, lightweight design, waterproofing, or quick access to your items. All 10 of these handlebar bags have their strengths, so it's about matching the bag to your riding style and priorities. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more research-based reviews to make your biking experience smoother and more enjoyable.